G'day guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome to the studio. Today we're talking on how to find suppliers. So if you're looking, let's say for example, you found your winning product and now you want to find a supplier, the winning supplier that's going to provide you and your customers with awesome feedback and awesome quality products, then we're going to be discussing that today. All right, so let's get started. The number one factor for success on Amazon comes down to your product. That's essentially it. It comes down to your product. If you don't have an awesome product, it's not going to sell. No matter how good your marketing is, it's just not going to sell. So most people go down the shotgun strategy, which is they have a shotgun, they try like 20 different products and fingers crossed, hope that it works, right? But that's no way to build a successful Amazon business, right? So you need to make sure that the product that you're selling is going to be a killer, it's going to be a winning product. That's how you make money on Amazon. You know, some people say they don't have the time, they don't have the money, they don't have the experience. Their husband won't let them, their wife won't let them, their pet rock won't let them. And listen, you've got two choices, right? You either make excuses or you make money. You can't do both, right? You either do one or the other. Now, personally, I would rather make money. I don't know about you, right? But that's something you got to commit to. Are you ready to make money? Are you committing to success? Are you ready to start your business on Amazon? It's a good question for you. Are you ready to find your hot product? Are you ready to launch your Amazon empire? Welcome back, everyone. So my name's Alex Ryan, author of How to Import from China and Make a Fortune. I've been teaching people how to do this now for about 10 years, showing people how to find winning products to sell on Amazon. And before then, it was actually eBay. Before then, it was their own websites. So been doing this for a while, and there is actually a formula. A lot of people think it's a bit like the lotto. You know, they take the shotgun approach where they just try a whole bunch of stuff that doesn't really work. So you don't want to do that, right? There is a system to it. There's actually a precise nature to finding winning products and finding good suppliers. So today's topic, guys, is finding suppliers. So there's a couple of websites. There's obviously Alibaba, which is the most common one that people know about. Massive MOQs mainly. Not all products not have massive MOQs, and that stands for minimum order quantity, by the way. But it's a good website to use, especially when you start, getting started with Amazon and selling stuff on Amazon. With regards to AliExpress, which is like the wholesale one, that is okay as well. And a lot of suppliers in Alibaba are also on AliExpress, and they do a lot less MOQ. The quality is okay. They give out good samples and all the rest. But I got to say, Alibaba is one good one I would rely on. DHgate is another. DHgate.com. It's a really awesome website. I've been buying wholesale from them for a number of years now. It's a great resource, a great website. Now, guys, there are a whole bunch of websites out there. There's global sources. There's the HKTDC. There's MadeInChina.com. There's a whole bunch of websites out there that will help you. But really, there is actually, it's kind of like offering you so many choices, right? And sometimes it can be a little bit confusing, a little bit frustrating. And sometimes even the same factory is on all the websites, right? So that's happened before as well. So there is a system to connecting with these suppliers, getting the best price on samples or potentially free samples, and they just pay the shipping. But yeah, ideally, guys, there is a system to it. So it's not just a matter of using the Alibaba. You've actually got to connect with them in the right way so they see you as professional. They see you as someone that is worth spending time on. Because let's face it, as Amazon is growing, which it has, and before then it was eBay, people were contacting these people on Alibaba all the time requesting free samples and wasting their time. How does that feel, right? If someone actually called you up and spent 10 hours back and forward on the message board and never ended up buying or just wanted a free sample, how would that make you feel, right? And because that's basically what they're dealing with 24/7. So you need to stand out. To get the best price, you've got to look professional. You've got to look as though you're already in business and you're already making money, right? It's very important because there's a lot of people getting started on Amazon who really have no clue what they're doing, and they get gouged on the first order, all right? They're probably paying about 40, even 50% more, at least, on the first order. So guys, be bigger than you actually are, appear bigger than you actually are, and get the best price from the Alibaba supplier. I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys, and if you're interested in joining me in China, I'm heading over to the Canton Fair. I go every April and every October. We go there with a whole bunch of students. We do have a special offer right now. It is free flights. Yay! There's a link here somewhere on the video, guys. Free flights, and we're doing this only for a limited amount of people. Obviously, we don't have big groups. We have usually maximum 10 people that we take. The kind of cozy little groups. It's a bit of like a little family that we have. We go out for dinner. We host you. We usually stay at the Sofitel or the Pullman, and it's an enjoyable experience. We go on tours and tours and to factories and suppliers, and sometimes we even jump on boat tours and see the local scenery in Guangzhou. It's a lot of fun, guys, and if you're interested in finding out more, visit us. Go to this link on the page. Look us up, because these are limited. These spots are limited, and yeah, it's a whole bunch of fun, really, coming on this. But it is work as well. You have to work. That's why we're going over there. This isn't a holiday. There is a lot of work there. But it's fun work, all right? So I join you walking around the Canton Fair. It's a whole bunch. It's a really good time. I'm heading over there next month, actually, so it's good. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. Have an awesome day, and to your Amazon success. Bye-bye for now.